Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you along for a behind the scene look at a tennis team photo shoot. Last time we did something similar but didn't get to record it. So today's shoot is a redo with some fresh ideas and inside scoop of how we set it all up. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we are here with my G's. We are here again.
That's what we know how to do best.
So we're gonna do some photo shoot in the tennis court. So we're just walking there now. Yeah. Kilo verso. Okay. Only song Yoruba. Okay. All right. We are here at the beautiful tennis court, and the weather is absolutely perfect for shooting. Today's shoot is all about capturing the high energy classic tennis vibe. So we've got a few setup planned, and we'll be experimenting with some different poses, props and lighting.
I enjoy.
Alright, so these are what we're gonna use. So I have my two friends helping me out today. And this is Masid, right?
Mercedes.
Oh, Masidi. Where are you from? What country? Yeah.
Nigeria and Scotland.
No way, Nigerian. Oh, what tribe?
Igbo.
Oh, okay. Before diving into the shoot, let's talk gear. We are using Sony A7 III paired with 24-70mm f2.8 Sigma lens, which should give us a sharp action shot and smooth portraits. Lighting is key today, and we'll be using natural sunlight as our main backlight, paired with our Godox AD300 Pro as our main light. We've got a bunch of tennis ball and few rackets to complete the look. We want everything to feel natural and dynamic. We might add some reflectors if we need to fill in the shadows, especially since we are shooting outdoor. Let's see how it looks. Our first setup is all about energy and movement. We want that classic mid-serve shot, so we've got our model to set up to do a pretend serve while we capture her in motion. Capturing the movement can be tricky, so it's all about timing. We are shooting at a fast shutter speed to freeze the motion and keep it sharp. Next up, we are moving into some close-up shots. We want to capture that relaxed post-match feel, just hanging by the net, looking cool. For lifestyle shots like this, we are focusing on capturing genuine expressions. Now let's add some detailed shots. We are getting close up of the racket, a few balls on the racket, and even the model. This brings the whole scene together and give us some options when it's time to edit. Okay, need the lights here. Yeah. I'm gonna do two of that. And another one. Okay, that is really good. So now you just want it just to bounce the ball like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So
it doesn't matter if they go on the floor.
no, like just it's gonna go on the floor. Just bounce it. Yeah.
Okay.
So and some of your hair we can bring it forward. Just some of it. Yeah. Yeah. Just free, like free, and another one on on the other side. Yeah.
Bring your racket downward a bit. Down, 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 down. Now let's do it. One, two, three, go.
When you're doing a team like this, details make all the difference. These little shots help tell a fuller story. Plus, they look great as a cutaway in the final series. And that's a wrap. We got some awesome shots, from those action-filled swings to relaxed lifestyle vibes. Let's take a quick look through and pick out our few favorites. Thanks for coming along on this photo shoot. We hope you enjoyed the behind the scene look at creating a tennis inspired team. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and let us know in the comments what other style or location you want us to shoot next. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scene content and photography tips. See you in the next one.